Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and we already learned how to store values to the variable. Now let's take some values from the user, and in this way your program will be interactive and flexible. So let's see how we can take input from the user. Okay, now let me first make a variable num input. Now to take input, we need the input function, okay? And input function is the built-in function in Python like print function. So now after this, inside of this, just write enter the number, instruction given to our user, okay? Now if you run and debug this, so you will get here enter the number, okay? Now just type here number. So now this is how you get the number from the user. Now if you write print num input, the variable, give 36. So you just see here the user has given is output here. Okay, so this is how you take the number from the user. Now let's write a program which takes two number and then add them and print the result. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a variable num1 and we will write input enter first number. Similarly num2 enter second number. Now let's make the variable sum equals to num1 plus num2. Now we will print out the sum. So let me tell you one thing, that when we accept input from user using input function, then it is in the string form. Therefore, we will need to convert it to the numeric form. So for that, we use int function to convert to integer and float to convert to float and so on. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So you need to write int, okay, like this, fine, and then those numbers will be added and print out. Now let's debug it. So here is enter first number, let's give 63, enter second number 32, and then you get the sum, that is 95. Okay, so this is how we give input to our program. I hope you understand it nicely, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you for watching our video.